Welcome back to another edition of Millie's Minute. Really quickly, this is the way how this works. In 60 seconds, I'm about to set the timer on my watch. And I am going to give you, to the best of my ability, some free coaching of some actionable things that you can do today when it comes to having a healthier and happier relationship with food to get to your healthy and happy weight. Okay, here we go. I got my timer. I'm setting it to 60 seconds. Let's go. Okay, so my son, who's 4 years old, used to be like, he hated raisins, did not like raisins at all. But here's what I did. I kept giving him raisins in as many different scenarios as I could potentially think of, in salads, in his oatmeal, in his little trail mixes, until literally, finally guys, 2 weeks ago, this dude is loving raisins. He was hesitant to give it a try, but he had it and he loved it. Big takeaway for you. Whatever it is in regards to your food decisions, not being able to work out, keep trying different things. Continue trying different things. I got 15 seconds until you find a version of that thing that works for you. Don't give up. That's the key here. Don't give up. Don't keep reverting back to the exact same thing that you used to do and it didn't work. What variation, my time is up. This is my question of the day. What variation can you try today of something that you tried in the past? Comment down below and we will chat about it.